Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, ninth class. Ninth class, we are reading Part B, Unit 3rd, Digital Documentation. In digital documentation means MS Word. We had finished word processor and editing of a document. Now, my third session is formatting a document. Now, here is a little bit difference between editing and formatting. Editing means make changes in our document. Formatting means we are giving some special effect on our font, paragraph and our page. It will come in the formatting. In any profession, it is important to keep the document presentable. This can be achieved by applying some effects that make the text or document visual appealing. Formatting means change the general appearance of text in a document. We can enhance the look of a document doing the following formatting: changing font and its size, highlighting certain words, adjustment line spacing, changing case, setting tab, margins, border, shading, align text on a page, creating bulleted or number list, changing text style and colors. After this, we can adjust our page according to our required presentable. Formatting can be applied using the home tab. We can apply it from the home tab. Whenever we want to insert any formatting, we can click on the home tab, which has formatting commands: font group and paragraph group. There are several ways of formatting the text. For example, character formatting, paragraph formatting and page formatting. In character formatting, we work on a characters. Paragraph formatting, we will work on full paragraph, and after that I already told you page formatting. In page formatting, we select a full page and after that we can make it changeable. Character formatting, as the name suggests, character formatting focus on the appearance of individual characters. Means we are working only for characters. For is a font is a set of character of a specific size and style. From font size to font style, text positioning to text attributes, the character formatting include all attributes that can be used to define the arrangement of a character. In character formatting, we will change font size, font style, font color of a font or of a characters. Means we just select a word and after that we can make it changes. Character formatting can be applied in several ways: using keyboards, using home tab and using shortcuts menu. To open the font dialog box, follow this step. Whenever we want to open font dialog box, just click on the home tab, select the text and click on the home tab. Click on the font dialog box launcher, the font dialog box open. Now in this dialog box you can see font color, font size, font style, underline style, and after that we can apply as our requirement. Now common text formatting. Normal common text formatting is changing font, changing font size and changing font color. Whenever we want to change font size, we just go on the font numbers. There is a numbers in the font group. Font colors, there is a box where is our alphabet is colored. Changing font, if you want to change your font style, you can change it through the so many ways. Changing text case. In our MS Word, we have 5 types of changing case. First, sentence case. In this, capitalize the first letter of the selected sentence. Whatever sentence we select, it will capitalize the first letter. Lowercase, convert the selected text to lowercase. Whatever text we select, it will convert into the lower. Uppercase, whatever select text we select, it will convert into the uppercase. Capitalize each word. In this, in our sentence, it will change our first letter of every character in capital letter. Toggle case, it will change if you have your capital letter in sentence, then it will come in the small letter, and if you have a small letter, then it will come in the capital letter. It will for reverse. If you have capital alphabet, then it will come in the small alphabet. How to change it? To change the case of the sentence, follow this steps. Select the text. After that, go on the home tab, and after that we have a full change case option. There is alphabet A and small alphabet is there. In this we can select and we can do it like this. In this we can change it font name, font color, font size, all of you are familiar. In this we have alphabets. After that we can make it changes. Applying subscript and superscript. In last class I already told you what is the meaning of subscript and superscript. If our word is come from the normal words upper side, it will come in the superscript. Our word will be Superman, and after that our word will come in the downside from the normal words, it will come in the subscript. For this what we do, we just write any words, after that we just select it, and after that we will go on the X square. If you select X square, it will become superscript. But whenever you click on X power, it will change the word theme into the subscript. So I already told you, if you want to make it superscript, you just click on X power, and if you want to subscript, you just click on X square. It will change our data into the superscript or subscript. Now most common things is making the text bold, italic and underlined. It will show you B, I and U in the font size, font group. If you want to make it change, what we do, first of all select our data, select our text, after that we just click on the B. If you want to make it bold, if you want to make it italic, you just click on the I. If you want to make it underline, you just click on the U underline. It will change your word into this. Format Painter. Format Painter tool is used to copy the formatting effect of some text to another selections. It will work like a painter. Select of the text whose formatting effect we want to copy. Click on the Format Painter group of Home tab. The pointer changes into a brush shape. After that, drag the brush on the desired selected text. It will change the text into the required format. Next thing is paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting we will read in next class. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.